Oh, but fucking son of a bitch. Oh, hi. I know my webcam's blurry, but you can blame my butt fucking friends for that, because they like to bite the teeth my little webcam. As you can see, it's all about on my computer. If you're wondering why it's brighter in here than normal, because I took the lampshade off. See, there's a lampshade and there's a thing. Here's the difference. Look, right. Can you see that? You can see that, I hope. Yeah. Now, you see? Okay. Watch. How it normally is. Ow! Fucker. How it normally is in here. On this side. And now how it is now. But yeah. I might not be making more videos because I haven't made a video in a while because my webcam, because it's so blurry. But yeah. I don't want to talk about. Oh, Black Ops and PS3 and game sharing. I game shared with a few people on here, and after I did that, my account got hacked. So do not believe people. They are BSing liars. Like Yasuke, YUSUKE underscore PARADOX with a capital X3 on PS3. I game shared with him, got off his crap, and he kind of hacked me. Thank God it was my other account. So that was my backup account, just in case, right? So, yeah. Main discussion for today. Alright, goodbye. Even though I have nothing to talk about.